So in this tutorial, we're just going to go over the basics of video editing, the very beginning steps, nothing complicated. So what you want to do is download Adobe Premiere Pro, click on it, and after you download it, it should come up, and then you're going to hit New Project, and then you're going to come here, you're going to title it whatever you want, so I'm just going to put Editing Basics. You're going to hit right here, OK. So to get started, you see how there's a couple different boxes right here. Here's where you're going to upload your media, and then here's where you're going to transfer it over so you can do all types of edits, and the video will show up here in this top right corner. So what I'm going to do is go find a video I can do so I can upload it. So I already have one on my desktop, which is usually the easiest way. You can import it from your files as well. Either way works, but I'm going to take it. Just maybe move it to the side a little bit. I'm going to take this video, drag it right here to import media. And then after it uploads, you should see a little picture or GIF of your video. So then you're going to come here, slide it right over here to the timeline. And then once you have it in the timeline, you see it pops up in that top right corner. So now you can take it and start going to the video. You can move it around. So let's start with cutting. So right here is the cutting tool. You can click on it and you'll see the tool right here. It's like a little razor blade, but you don't always have to go and press the button. You can just come here. So I'm going to unselect it. You can come here and just select C, and it'll change it. You don't even have to hit the button. So to cut something, all you have to do is click it, and voila. There's two separate segments right here. See, I just cut it into 8 pieces. So from there you can go and separate things. And then we're going to use one more basic tool. So if you click the T, which is the text tool, and you can come in here. So now that we selected the text button right here, you can come up to this top right and just click it, and then you'll see a little red text button that'll come up, and all you have to do is type. And then just click it. You can highlight it, do all kinds of stuff with it. Now if you come to the selector tool right here, you can move it around. And then that's it for the basics of video editing.